कोरोना की दहशत थमने का नाम नहीं ले रही। हर दिन कुछ ऐसा सुनने को मिल रहा है जिससे लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे कि आखिर कोरोना है क्या चीज। इसके जो नए नए वेरिएंट आ रहे हैं, इन्होंने सरकार, वैज्ञानिकों से लेकर आम जनता तक की टेंशन बढ़ा दी है। कोरोना के नए वेरिएंट डेल्टा प्लस को लेकर एम्स के डायरेक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया ने जरूरी जानकारी भी दी। डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया ने बताया कि आखिर ये वायरस कितना खतरनाक है। सबसे पहले डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने बताया कि वायरस का म्यूटेशन कई बार खतरनाक नहीं होता है। वायरस म्यूटेट होकर खुद को भी नुकसान पहुंचाता है।
Viruses, especially RNA viruses, will continue to mutate. It's been estimated that the virus mutates at least twice in a month. But every time it mutates, it is not something that one is worried about, and that is why they are known as variants of interest. Sometimes the virus may even mutate to cause harm to themselves, and maybe causing less effect as far as the virus is concerned.
डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने आगे बताया कि कई बार इसका म्यूटेशन ज्यादा खतरनाक होता है और संक्रमण तेजी से होता है।
But then viruses can also mutate either naturally or because of pressure which they have because of drugs or because of vaccine, which makes them a variant of concern. And when we talk of a variant of concern, we are looking at a virus which has now mutated, which has become more infectious as compared to the previous strain. That is, now it is spreading more rapidly, as we saw both in the alpha variant and the delta variant. It can become more virulent, that it is causing more severe disease, more hospitalization, more deaths. Then also it is a variant of concern.
डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने यह भी कहा है कि कई बार वेरिएंट टेस्ट के दौरान पकड़ में भी नहीं आता और वैक्सीन भी इसे मात नहीं दे पाती।
So that the efficacy of the vaccine or of drugs comes down, or the immunity which people have acquired from past infection is not able to protect them and they get reinfection because of this new variant. And finally, sometime we may have a situation where this new variant may not be picked up by your tests and your RT-PCR test may not be able to pick them up. If any of this happens, then we say this is a variant of concern, and then we are more vigilant, we start monitoring it more closely, we make different strategies of how do we address the clinical or the epidemiological changes that this virus has had.
डेल्टा प्लस वेरिएंट को डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने ज्यादा खतरनाक बताया है। उन्होंने कहा है कि ये पहले से ज्यादा संक्रामक होगा और अचानक मामले बढ़ सकते हैं।
So currently, if you look at Delta Plus, we have only around 42 plus cases as far as Delta Plus is concerned. So it's difficult to say whether it is causing anything which can really be definitely said that there is something that we need to be worried about. But this has come from the Delta lineage. This is a Delta Plus, and the mutation that has happened, the 417, has been known to really cause the virus to become more infectious. So because of this, it is a little bit of a concern for us, because we don't want to be caught napping and we don't want to have a situation where suddenly the cases increase and we are not able to do anything. Therefore, I think it's very important that we be proactive. We take steps right now. If we see a surge in cases in any area, we test and see if it is the Delta Plus variant. We develop containment strategies. We make sure that now the virus doesn't spread to other areas, causing another surge in the number of cases.
नए वेरिएंट को लेकर चेतावनी दी गई है। कई विशेषज्ञों का कहना है कि नया वेरिएंट तीसरी लहर को लाने में अहम भूमिका निभा सकता है। इसलिए पहले से ही इससे लड़ने के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए और लोगों को इसे बिल्कुल भी हल्के में नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि लापरवाही जान पर भारी पड़ सकती है। न्यूज़ तक ब्यूरो।